Hello. My name is John Marco Bidador. Sisimulan po namin yung business plan namin, which is the chapter 1 or executive summary ng cinnamon plantain sorbet, the mango, or in short po is cinnamon turon. Ano nga ba yung cinnamon turon? Cinnamon turon is kind of snack and also categorized as Filipino comfort dessert, especially in merienda. The kind of product or this kind of product is rarely sell in our community. The cinnamon turon is composed of smashed banana or saba banana, cinnamon, and topped with mango ice cream. Yung cinnamon turon po namin is innovation po ng turon o yung traditional turon po na meron tayo dito sa bansa po natin. And through by that innovation po, hindi lang po basta napagpapatuloy yung tradition na merienda, na-innovate din namin yung lasa or yung taste po nung product po namin. And wish po namin is ma-appreciate po yon ng mga magko-consume po sa amin ng cinnamon turon. And next is our target market for this product will be the student of St. Vincent College of Cabuyao. Yung business plan nga po namin is ibebenta rin po namin sa inside of school lang naman po para itas po namin kung magiging or magpapatok po ba or magkiklik yung magiging product po namin, which is the cinnamon turon. Sino nga ba yung magiging competitors namin sa cinnamon turon? Yung mga magiging rivalry namin dito is yung mga traditional turon po. Example na lang po is yung mga turon po. Example is yung sa SM or sa Save More po na mga turon. O yung traditional turon din po ng mga binibenta ng mga vendor. Then our business will start at a small capital to test if our product will help us to raise our profit. Once our business started to become popular, we know that our business will grow larger and someday we will be a successful entrepreneur. If ever our business is grow larger, we can build our own stalls, restaurant, rather so we can be popular. Yun business po namin, syempre magsisimula pa lang naman po ito sa maliit na business. Like yun nga po, cinnamon turon. But someday, wish nga po namin na magkaroon nga po ng luck na mas lumaki dahil sa innovation po ng product na to. Maybe sa ngayon, cinnamon turon po lang po to. But someday, wish din namin is magkaroon pa po ito ng malaking improvement sa business plan po namin. And then, itong business po na ito, this business is managed by 3 students. First is, ako po, John Marco Bidador, Doreen Hazel Rosero, John Philip Rodero, and Arfi Villaruz, of 3rd year student ng St. Vincent of College of Cabuyao, Laguna. The cinnamon turon was innovated since pandemic due to lack of outdoor activities because of community lockdown. Entrepreneurs decided to have idea to make an innovative twist in unusual classic turon. The money we'll use in this product will be our own money, which cover the startup expenses of the beginning of this business. Yun nga po. Paano nga ba nagsimula si cinnamon turon? Siyempre, dahil sa pandemic, nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, nag-isip po kami ng mga magiging bagong product nga po na sure din naman na magiging or magkiklik or ma-appreciate ng mga consumer, which is the cinnamon turon. Dahil sa composed po na ito ng mga ingredients like yung cinnamon po, and then meron po siya ng mango ice cream sa ibabaw. Then proceed naman po tayo sa chapter 2, the business profile of cinnamon turon. Company overview. The origin of this business was started since the COVID-19 pandemic. The innovation of this product is made from making a twist to typical turon we bought along the street in every merienda. Its customer expectation different from traditional turon. It has a hot, fresh, and refreshing and savory taste of mango ice cream and cinnamon. The problem we have faced so far is the supply of cheaper price of saba banana. Since this day, some of the stores saba banana selling 18 per kilo instead of per piece. Yun nga, sa company overview ng product po namin, ng cinnamon turon, yun, dahil nga po ng pandemic, wala naman po tayong magawa sa bahay. Nagkaroon po kami ng idea, nagkaroon po kami ng brainstorming about sa kung ano bang pwede naming i-innovate na product which is ito naman po is nagamit po namin in reality na business since 2020 po, nung COVID-19. So yung cinnamon turon po na to naging nag-click po to sa namin sa barangay din po namin. And then yun nga po, yung customer expectation po kasi nito, dahil nga po sa expectation nito na refreshing po siya kasi dahil po doon sa mango ice cream, na homemade mango ice cream po. Nagko-contrast po yung taste po nung cinnamon or yung hot cinnamon turon, then yung malamig po na mango ice cream. So nag-blend po yung lasa niya, which is na-appreciate po ng mga consumer po namin. And yun, yung mga naging problema din naman po na hinarap po namin or yung mga naging challenge po sa amin dito sa business ito is yung pagbili po ng mismong product po or yung yung main po namin na ingredients, which is yung saba banana. Kasi medyo nagtaas po yung presyo due to inflation po. And then yun, we will make a plan for controlling the wastages of our products since our goal is to serve a quality, hot, and fresh cinnamon turon to our customer. We will review the usage of saba banana per day and week to make sure the quality of saba banana will be using for cinnamon turon. So yan, isa po sa as entrepreneur, isa po sa mga balak namin or mga plano po namin na dapat naming maaksyonan is yung control po ng wastages. Syempre, as entrepreneur, kailangan po balance lang po. Hindi naman po maiiwasan nagkakaroon ng wastages or waste, but yun nga po, pwede naman po siyang makontrol. And yun nga po, para makontrol namin per week or and per day po, i-review po namin yung magiging usage po namin ng saba banana in every week and in every day and week, para yung control po nung pagbili namin or yung pag-i-stock po namin ng mga gagamitin namin ingredients is good for using lang naman, or yung nagkakaroon lang po ng goods lang for shelf life po ng pang stocks po ng 3 to 4 days po or for 1 week po. And the mission, our mission is to innovate our product in case of the customer we look forward for new in their eyes and to make them satisfied to new taste of classic turon. So yun, sinabi na rin po naman kanina, yung goal po namin dito or yung mission po namin dito is magkaroon po ng innovation sa classic turon or sa classic merienda na meron tayo sa Pilipinas na talaga namang ma-appreciate po ng mga customer, like yung cinnamon turon po na ginawa po namin.
Good evening everyone, my name is John Philip Padera and I'm gonna tackle about the vision of our business plan. Through our handcrafted turons creations, we hope to spread the rich traditions and wonderful flavors of Filipino food around the world. Using the best ingredients that can be found locally and traditional recipes that have been passed through down the years. We are dedicated to carefully making each turon. With every meal, we hope that not only satiate your palate but also kindle a passion of Filipino culture and tradition. We strive to go to local turon enthusiasts worldwide by putting innovations, quality, and community at the core of all we do. All the while promoting of feeling belonging and pride in our local community. Next is the business name and logo. Our business name is Cinnamon Turon de Sorbetes Manga. It's a kind of snack and also categorized as Filipino comfort dessert, especially in merienda. This kind of product is rarely sold in our community. The cinnamon turon is composed of smashed banana, cinnamon, and topped with mango ice cream. So for our logo, ginawa namin is gumamit kami ng mga different shade of colors para mas maging maganda to sa paningin at mas maging kaaya-aya sa paningin ng tao. So our objective is to earn profit para mas makakait pa kami ng mas marami pang variety ng turon. And para mabenta namin to sa mga student, professors, and also yung mga admin din ng mga school namin. So yung pinaka-highlight ng business namin is yung mga customer dahil sila yung makakatulong upang mas makilala pa yung aming business. So next naman is the rationale of our business plan. So yung reason kaya kami nag-establish ng ganitong business is para ma-preserve namin yung authentic turon dito sa Pilipinas, since iyan na lang din yung mga nagbebenta ng mga turon dito sa atin. So para magawa namin yun, naggawa kami ng twist sa turon para mas maging mabenta pa 'to sa Philippines. So next is the introduction of the industry. So alam naman natin dito sa Pilipinas is talamak yung pagbebenta ng mga ah, banana, yung mga saba banana. So usually ginagamit ito sa paggawa ng turon o kaya ng banana cue. But in our business, we're going to make it turon. So sa paggawa ng turon, nilagay nila ito sa spring roll, then pina-fry until crispy, and then kino-coat ito ng brown sugar para maging turon siya. So ang turon is popular sa Pilipinas dahil sa parang different texture niya, kasi meron siyang texture ng ah, ng ng crispiness, yan. So itong turon is usually kinakain siya after meal, like after ng dinner o kaya after ng tanghalian or kaya sa merienda. But usually kinakain 'to tuwing merienda. Then sa industry naman dito is yung turon usually yung iba dito is nagdi-distribute sila ng turon sa iba't ibang store para ibenta. Kasi alam naman natin na mahirap gumawa ng turon. Kaya yung iba, nag-o-offer sila ng turon sa iba't ibang store para ibenta ito. Then some others naman is sa mga local, lalo na yung mga ah, pamilya nagbebenta ng mga ganito. So, ang iba naman din is nagpo-post sila through internet para mas makilala ito worldwide ng mga ibang clients.
Good day, everyone. My name is Lorraine Azel Rosero, 21 years old, third year college of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management in St. Vincent College of Cabuyao, and I am working student at McDonald's. We're talking about how the sales and marketing goals and objectives of our Turon's recipe. Um, Nakadepende dito kung paano na natin ma-target yung mga goals na gusto natin na mangyari sa ating company. Nakadepende dito yung stage of growth, target market, and also yung sa ating mga competitors. These goals and objectives are not static but influenced by various factors. SWOT analysis. Ginagamit natin itong planning tool na ito to identify and evaluate our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Involve yung ating business dito kung paano ito makakatulong to understanding the internal and external factors that can impact our success or failure of our particular goal. Um, first, first we have strengths. It has a unique fusion of flavors that appeals to a niche market. Second, innovative twist on a traditional Filipino snack. Third, versatile product that can be enjoyed as a snack or dessert. It has a potential for customization with different fillings and toppings. Second, weaknesses. It has a limited market appeal to customers looking for a more on traditional snacks. Potential for higher pricing compared to our traditional turon vendors. I think because it has a toppings, different feelings, and the taste and the aroma of cinnamon. Last, limited distribution channels compared to establishment, dessert shops, and ice cream parlors. Also, we have threats. Competition from establishment desserts, shops, and ice cream parlors. Second, lack of consumers awareness and brand of recognitions. Since turon yung napili namin, so parang hindi talaga siya, parang it's normal na merienda yung turon na natin na nabibili lang sa mga kanto. Kaya I think na baka onti yung bumili or depende kung masarapan. Yun yung sa threats. Opportunities. Collaborations with local cafes and restaurants to introduce the product to a broader audience. I think perfect siya sa cafes and restaurant na rin since it's a dessert. Second, marketing campaigns targeting food enthusiasts and social media influencers. Lastly, expansion into the online market through e-commerce platforms and delivery services. A value proposition for a Turon company, ito yung nagbibigay highlights. Pinapakita natin dito yung pagiging uniqueness niya, pagiging desirable niya compared to other brands na Turon, yung magiging benefits ng mga customer natin sa pagbili nila sa product natin, yung mag kung paano dadami yung customers natin. Dito, binibigyan natin halaga yung product na pinapakilala natin na lahat ng special advantages, magiging worth it ba yung pagbili nila sa product natin, magiging number one tayo sa industry sa pagdating sa turon desserts like turon, tayo yung mag-lead sa kanila. Hindi naman siya totally mag-lead, tayo yung magiging marketing materials are essentials for our turon businesses effectively to communicate our values propositions and how to attract the mga madaming customers. We have logo. Logo serves as a visual presentation. Isang logo lang na pag nakita mo pa lang yung logo nila, which is makikilala mo agad kung sino sila sa pamamagitan ng logo. Product label. Nagpo-provide ito ng mga importante information about our turon, like ingredients, nutritional facts, and branding. At I think it should be eye-catching to attract to attract the customers. Third, we have packaging designs. Ito, isa to sa mga pinaka-importante pagdating sa products. Kailangan maganda yung packaging design niya, para makita ng customers na appealing siya. Social media presence platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so dito mas napapadali yung pag-promote natin sa mga products natin. Isang post, isang type, isang click, mapopromote na natin siya sa pamamagitan ng mga social media. Pwedeng photos, pwedeng videos, ganun, mga pictures. Madali na sa atin yan since madami na tayong mga online shoppings. These marketing materials are high quality to promote it by using social media. It driving high sales, management, and ownership. Business ownership refers to the control over enterprises, providing the power and to dictate of operating and functions. Operating and business hours. The operating hour of our business will be the standard time of sailing to road. We start to open at 9 in the morning since pwede siya sa almusal. Close at 6 in the evening. It depends on the customer. Kung madami pang bumibili, pwede tayong mag-extend. We can also adjust our operating time based on the event we join. So, pwede rin kami mag-cater. We have here item, unit of measurements, unit cost, quantity needed, and quantity cost. For saging saba, we have 1,000 grams. It costs 40 pesos. For 1,000 grams, quantity needed namin is 1,000 grams. Nagko-cost ito ng 90 pesos. For the ice cream, for 275 grams, 64 pesos. Ang unit cost sa quantity needed is 385 grams. It costs 20 pesos. For cooking oil, 350 ml. It costs 25 pesos. Sa quantity needed, we need 350 ml. Nagka-cost ito ng 25 pesos. For cinnamon, 30 grams. Unit cost, 25 pesos. Quantity needed, 30 grams. And also, it costs 25 pesos. Sugar, 250 grams. Unit cost, 38 pesos. Quantity needed, 250 grams. Quantity cost is 38 pesos. For lumpia wrapper, 40 grams. Unit cost, 25 pesos. Quantity needed, 40 grams. For the quantity cost, it costs 25 pesos. And also, we have dining and kitchen layout. As you can see here, you have a lot of tables, two comfort room, and the kitchen. For the equipments, it's just a simple using of gas stove, frying pan, strainer, and stainless. Also, the plates and mga basic needs like plates, mga cups, spoon and fork na gagamitin para sa for dine-in natin. That's
Chapter 6, Operational Analysis. Management and ownership. Dito po napapaloob kung yung mga business owner, paano nila makakontrol o madidikta sa kanilang mga empleyado kung paano i-function ang kanilang business. Sa operation and business hours naman po, dito naman po yung oras kung kailan magbubukas at kung kailan magsasara. Ito naman po sa organizational structures or work plan schedule. Dito naman po napapaloob ng mga pangailangan tulad na sa amin, sa turo namin, kailangan namin saba, ice cream, cooking oil, cinnamon, sugar, lumpia wrapper. Dito rin po napapaloob mga measurement. Sa dining kitchen layout po, ito. Nandito po yung kitchen namin, nandito yung dining area, yung comfort room. Sa mga equipment naman po na kailanganin namin sa aming product, dito na po yung gas stove, frying pan, strainer, stainless tray, tongs, ice cream, scooper's knife, chopping board, spatula, and casserole. Sa financial considerations of starting apps. Dito po yung pag-inventory, yung mga insurance, yung cash, permits, expenses, financing. Sa ongoing cost naman po, dito naman po yung mga net sales, yung mga napabentahan, kung magkano kada buwan, kada taon, kung may pinikita po ba o wala. Forecast sales naman po, dito naman po yung kung ano yung mga bestseller, yung mga nabebenta, tulad ng Classic Turon. Ang Classic Turon namin po price is 45 pesos. Total na sold namin in just one day is 30 pieces, equivalent to 1,350. Dito naman po sa return of investment, dito naman po yung nakapaloob kung naibalik pa o kumita ba ang aming product.